What's up, YouTube? I go by the name of Lo, aka Lo the DJ. I'm a DJ, producer, club owner, content creator, and welcome to our beautiful YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm one of the 4 or 5 guys in the channel, or on the channel. For our first video, I'm gonna take you guys a little bit back, a little bit before COVID, BC. And we can reminisce a little bit and enjoy this next clip. Yerra Frank, what's up, dude? Yeah, enjoy this next clip. Shout out to Soul Train, Ace the Bass, Ham the Illustrator. You know what? This was an epic time. I hope you guys enjoy.
Go, let's go, man. It's a motherfucking party,
Soul
baby.
Train.
Soul Train. Ow.
When the candy.
Soul Train 4.0. You know what's up. We're getting ready now. We're about to get to the train and fuck shit up!
Show me some love, baby. Fucking this shit up, man. Show me some love.
Oh shit, yeah.
So what are we doing today, bro?
We're fucking shit up, man. That's what we're doing. Let's go ahead, man. About to have a good ass time. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
It's gonna be wild.
Oh, no.
Away, my boy.
We're having a good time, guys. Make sure you come through to Soul Train in Windhoek, Namibia. It is the most amazing shit you will see in your life. Trust me. Brain boom.
So tell me about this documentary.
So,
In short.
I thought about it and I was like, you know, Namibia has become such a crazy place. Parties have become live. Then I thought about it. Would it be without Project X? And that is a question that this documentary is going to answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You guys close. Give me some soul. Give me some soul, baby. Join us at Soul Train, baby. You guys can still go. Wait.
Yo, we're getting on a fucking train. We're gonna be fucking raving. I'm gonna bless the microphones, chat some shit. Like Lo's in charge of making sure I don't fuck up with my times today. So
You showed up.
Big shout out, you know. I dropped by my whip.
You know what it is.
Team Justice.
Team Justice, baby. So, Ace, tell us what's happening today.
Dude, we're gonna wild out, bro. It's crazy.
Small boy, give me your lighter.
It's crazy. We're gonna go crazy. We're DJing on the train. We're partying on the train. The train is moving. We're dancing. We get to a venue. We continue DJing. It's a full-on 12 hours of madness, bro. It's crazy. That's what it's gonna be. Look at me. I also got some cam. So you know the thing, man. Ready for this, bro?
I'm so freaking calm for this, bro.
You know it's gonna go down.
No, bro, you know what it is. I never taken the train in Windhoek before, fam. Let's get this, bro.
Look at the goddamn line, bro.
Tell us where we at. Tell us where we at.
We're at the train station. This is where we used to go to get to smoke up with the train in high school, man. It took about like, what, 12 hours. You leave at 7 p.m. in the evening and you get there at 6 a.m. It was the cheapest way to get there, man. Now we're back at it, but this time we're partying. This coming was that time, guys.
Soul Train.
I think I want to go where the noise is, right in front, where the DJ is. So we're gonna go that side, but I need to use the bathroom. So, you know.
Run, motherfucker, run! Let's go, let's go. Chapter guy.
Yo, what's
Tell
up,
us what it is, baby.
Soul Train!
What's about to go down?
Guys, on a fucking train. It's gonna take us 10 hours to get there, but we're gonna turn up on the train. Yes, yeah.
Motherfuckers, we live at Soul Train today. You know what it is. You know what it is. It's gonna be fucking wild. We got Ace on the decks. Emily, take your jacket. Hey, we need everybody together now.
Run, 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 run. Shafa, run. Let go, boss.
Okay, guys, we just landed at the spot. Shit, that shows you.
We at the venue, you know what it is, it's a fucking vibe, you know it was already a motherfucking party, you know, in the train, now we're about to fuck it up, yeah.
Thomas, mijn naam is Adrianus.
It's corruption, baby, we don't fuck around.
We don't fuck around. What you do, baby? You know what it is, baby, let go.
It's corruption, baby.
Go, guys, show me some solo. Yeah, we in this bitch, baby. We in this bitch, baby. Quickly tell us. What's the setup today?
We've got about 10 kilowatt of sound on a nice lighting rig, professional Pioneer gear. So I think it's gonna rock. It's gonna sound lekker. It's gonna look lekker. What else can we say?
Tell us about the disco ball.
Yeah, it's not mine, but it's big. Looking good.
Looking good, baby. That's Mammoth, bruh. That's Mammoth right there. That's Mammoth. Same sheet. We're in Hell's Kitchen, baby.
This is the corruption kitchen.
She guys busy whipping that shit with a chain on. Yeah, la ticac, la telecac. Who's it, macho? Slow mo, baba. Here. Let's go see now. Let's go see what's happening in the kitchen now. Say what's happening in the kitchen.
We're corrupt here.
You're corrupt, though.
It's the corruption kitchen.
Hey.
You understand? You know what I mean? You want food, it's corrupt. You understand? You know what I'm saying? You go take your money.
See your boy cutting some shit. Look at that. Look at that shot there right there. Cinematic shit. PD Standard, baby. We live.